Growing your own food is a rewarding experience. It connects you to nature and provides fresh, healthy produce. But traditional gardening can be challenging. The Kratky method offers a simpler way, especially for beginners. This hydroponic method uses no soil, just water and nutrients. This makes it incredibly clean and easy to manage. Even with limited space, you can grow fresh lettuce right in your kitchen. In this guide, we'll explore the Kratky method step by step. We'll cover everything from gathering materials to harvesting your crisp lettuce. Get ready to enjoy the joy of homegrown food with minimal effort. Before starting your hydroponic adventure, let's gather the necessary materials. Having the right supplies is crucial for a successful and enjoyable experience. Don't worry, you won't need anything complicated. Hydroponics can be simple and straightforward with the right approach. Most items are readily available online or at your local garden center. You can even find some of these supplies at home improvement stores or specialty hydroponic shops. First, you'll need mason jars. These are versatile and can be used for various hydroponic setups. These are perfect for individual lettuce plants. They provide a clear view of the root system, which is both educational and fascinating to watch. Choose wide-mouth jars for easy access. This makes it simpler to place and remove the net cups and plants. Next, net cups. These hold the lettuce seedlings in place. They are designed to fit snugly in the mason jar openings, providing stability for the plants. Make sure they fit snugly in the mason jar openings. This ensures that the plants remain upright and secure as they grow. Instead of soil, we'll use rock wool cubes. These are excellent for hydroponics because they retain moisture and provide a stable environment for the roots. They provide excellent support and retain moisture for the seedlings. This helps in maintaining consistent hydration, which is crucial for healthy growth. You'll also need hydroponic nutrients. These are specially formulated to provide all the essential elements that plants need to thrive. These provide the essential elements for healthy plant growth. Make sure to follow the instructions on the nutrient packaging for the best results. Look for a balanced nutrient solution specifically designed for lettuce. This ensures that your plants get the right mix of nutrients tailored to their needs. Don't forget the lettuce seeds. These are the starting point of your hydroponic journey. Choose your favorite variety of lettuce. There are many types to choose from, each with its own unique flavor and texture. Loose leaf varieties tend to do well in Kratky systems. They grow quickly and are easy to harvest, making them ideal for beginners. Finally, a pH test kit. This is essential for monitoring the acidity or alkalinity of your water. Maintaining the correct pH level in the water is crucial. The right pH ensures that your plants can absorb nutrients effectively. A simple pH test kit will help you monitor and adjust as needed. Regular testing and adjustments will keep your hydroponic system running smoothly and your plants healthy. Now that you have your supplies, let's set up your Kratky system. It's surprisingly simple. First, prepare the mason jars. Clean the mason jars thoroughly with soap and water to prevent any contamination. Next, insert the net cups. Place the net cups in the mason jar openings, ensuring they fit securely. Prepare the rock wool cubes by soaking them in water with a pH of 5.5 to 6.5 for about 30 minutes. This prepares them for the lettuce seedlings. Finally, plant the lettuce seeds. Place 1 or 2 lettuce seeds in each moistened rock wool cube, gently pressing them about ½ inch deep. While your lettuce seeds germinate, create a humid environment to encourage sprouting. Cover the jars with plastic wrap or a humidity dome. This helps retain moisture and promotes faster germination. Provide indirect sunlight by placing the jars in a warm, well-lit area, but avoid direct sunlight. Too much direct sunlight can dry out the rock wool cubes before the seeds germinate. Maintain moisture by checking the rock wool cubes daily and misting them lightly with water if they start to dry out. Maintaining consistent moisture is key for successful germination. Section 5. Placing your seedlings into the Kratky system. In this section, we will guide you through the process of transferring your seedlings into the Kratky hydroponic system, ensuring they have the best start for optimal growth. Once your lettuce seeds have sprouted and developed a few true leaves, they're ready for the Kratky system. These true leaves are a sign that the seedlings are strong enough to handle the transition. This usually takes about 1 to 2 weeks. During this period, ensure the seedlings receive adequate light and water to promote healthy growth. First, fill the jars with nutrient solution. The nutrient solution is crucial as it provides all the essential minerals and nutrients the plants need to thrive. Fill each mason jar with the prepared nutrient solution, leaving about an inch of space below the net cup rim. This space is important for maintaining the right balance of air and nutrients. This air gap is essential for root development and prevents the seedlings from drowning. The roots need access to oxygen to grow healthily and avoid root rot. Next, transfer the seedlings. Carefully remove the rockwool cubes with the sprouted seedlings and place them in the net cups. Handle the seedlings gently to avoid damaging the delicate roots. Ensure the rockwool sits snugly in the net cup and the roots are submerged in the nutrient solution. This ensures that the seedlings have constant access to the nutrients they need to grow strong and healthy. Regularly check the nutrient levels and top up as necessary to maintain optimal growth conditions. Section 6. Light and water the essentials for growth. Now that your lettuce seedlings are in their Kratky system, it's time to provide them with the light and nutrients they need to thrive. First, provide ample light. Light is crucial for photosynthesis, the process by which plants convert light energy into chemical energy to fuel their growth. Move the mason jars to a location where they can receive at least 6 to 8 hours of direct or indirect sunlight each day. This ensures that the plants get enough light to grow strong and healthy. If you live in an area with limited sunlight, consider placing the jars near the brightest window in your home. If natural sunlight is limited, you can use grow lights as a supplement. Grow lights are designed to mimic the natural spectrum of sunlight, providing the necessary wavelengths for plant growth. Position the grow lights about 6-12 inches above the plants and keep them on for 12-16 hours a day. Next, monitor the nutrient solution level. The nutrient solution provides essential minerals and nutrients that the plants need to grow. It's important to check the solution regularly to ensure that the plants are getting the right balance of nutrients. As the lettuce grows, it will absorb the nutrient solution. You may notice the solution level dropping as the plants take in the nutrients and water they need. Check the water level every few days and top it off as needed, ensuring the roots are always in contact with the solution. Keeping the water level consistent is crucial for the health and growth of your lettuce plants. Regularly topping off the water will help maintain the right environment for the roots to thrive. Section 7. Recognizing healthy growth, what to look for. As your lettuce grows, you'll notice visible signs of its progress. Here's what to look for in healthy lettuce plants. First, vibrant green leaves. The leaves should be a bright, vibrant green, indicating they are receiving adequate light and nutrients. Next, steady growth. You should see noticeable growth each day with the lettuce plants getting taller and bushier. Finally, strong roots. The roots should be white or cream-colored and growing vigorously in the nutrient solution. Section 8. Troubleshooting, common issues and solutions. While the Kratky method is relatively simple, a few common issues can arise. Here are some troubleshooting tips. 1. Yellowing leaves. This usually indicates a nutrient deficiency. Try adding more nutrient solution or changing to a different brand. 2. Wilting plants. This suggests the plants are not getting enough water. Ensure the roots are submerged in the nutrient solution and top it off as needed. 3. Algae growth. If you notice algae growing in the nutrient solution, it's a sign of too much light. Move the jars to a location with less direct sunlight. Section 9. Harvesting time, enjoying your fresh lettuce. After about 4 to 6 weeks, depending on the lettuce variety, it will be time to harvest your fresh, homegrown lettuce. 1. Check for maturity. The lettuce is ready to harvest when the leaves are large enough to eat. You can start harvesting outer leaves as soon as they are big enough, allowing the inner leaves to continue growing. 2. Harvest regularly. Regular harvesting encourages continuous growth. Don't be afraid to pick leaves frequently. The more you harvest, the more the plant will produce. Section 10. Benefits of Kratky hydroponics, beyond simple salads. The Kratky method offers numerous benefits beyond just fresh lettuce. 1. Water conservation. This method uses significantly less water than traditional gardening, making it an environmentally friendly choice. 2. Space saving. You can grow lettuce vertically, maximizing space even in small apartments. 3. Year-round growing. The Kratky method allows you to grow lettuce indoors year-round, regardless of the weather outside. Section 11. Conclusion. Your journey to hydroponic success. The Kratky method offers a simple and rewarding way to grow fresh lettuce at home. With minimal effort, you can enjoy the satisfaction of nurturing your own food and savor the taste of crisp, homegrown salads. So why not give it a try? You might be surprised at how easy and enjoyable hydroponic gardening can be.